Welcome to another edition of The Story Behind the Car. We're with Dave and his 1967 Chevy Chevelle, and we shot a video on this, but I've had several questions on the engine.
Okay.
And so, Dave, we were just talking, and this originally came with a 396?
With 396.
Okay.
And I'm not sure what horsepower it came from the factory with, but since it's got the gauges and the tack, I'm assuming maybe one of the rare 375 horse 396, but I don't have anything to prove that.
Yes.
And when I bought it, it had a 402 in it, which was a 370 model 396.
Okay.
They still called it 396, but it was a 402. And I always wanted a 427 67 Chevelle, so I bought the block off of eBay.
Okay.
And put all new internals in it, new pistons, new crank, new cams, and built me a 427.
Yes.
Yep. And the factory came with cast iron heads, but I put Brodix aluminum heads on it.
Okay.
So roller cam, which they didn't have in '67. But
Yes.
yeah, so it's a fun car to drive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I've had, there's a gentleman that writes for Auto Revolution, and he sent me a message asking about it.
Right.
And so I wanted to try to get some additional information for
Right.
him.
So. Yep.
And I can't recall, did you say it has front disc brakes?
Yes. But not from the factory.
Yes.
Right. It was drum brakes when I got it. So,
Okay.
and then, you know, with the big block car, they're not the best brakes in the world. you
Yes.
know, so I put disc brakes on the front.
Okay, and rear drum still?
Right.
Yes.
Right. Yep.
Yeah, I bought a 41 Chevy truck, and the guy had drum brakes on it, but he got brakes off of station wagons.
Right. So a
which
little
were
bigger brakes.
bigger
so,
drums, yeah. Yeah. They had plenty of stopping power.
Oh, yeah.
And I'm just trying to think if we need to cover anything else that we may not have covered the last time. I believe you said you painted it in 1998, was it?
Well, it's probably around 2000. I don't
2000?
remember the exact year, but,
Yes.
But yeah, so it's been a while.
Yeah. And I'm going to walk around just in case those that haven't seen the other video,
Right, you go
they
right
can go
ahead.
back and watch that. And it's such a beautiful, beautiful car. Is this their first show of the day, or did you hit anything else today?
No, this came down today.
Yeah.
I didn't even make Sonic last Friday. It was too cold.
Yeah, I didn't go either.
Yeah.
I figured I'd go up. I mentioned to the guy, I said, I'll go up and I'll see Dave again.
Right.
But then I ran into you today.
Right.
Whoops. And I don't think we shot your trunk last time. Boy,
No, we didn't have it open.
it's in good shape. And so when you repainted it, you got the stickers,
Right.
for the jack
yeah.
and everything?
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Yep.
Well, it's such a beautiful car, Dave.
Well, thank you.
Well, thank you for the update on the motor as well.
You bet.
And I'll get that information to him.
Okay.
And he writes articles about
Okay.
the videos, and then he takes photos, so I may shoot some extra photos for him.
Right.
Okay, well, thank you again. I appreciate it very much, Dave.
You bet. Thank you.